Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you another Tablescape. So we talked about evolving my Tablescape down to 10 so that I can do other things. Also, I talked about moving into the neutrals in order to do some naturalistic designs. Okay, so tonight I was going for Victorian, right? And I don't know if I captured it correctly. Um, I wanted to use some different plates that I know I wanted to use, but everything else I picked out really collates with what I had in mind, right? And one of the things that I wanted to do as well is do simple things, simple, inexpensive, in order to phase out from my tablescape. Now, this table design is not like anything that I have designed before. Um, because most of my tablescapes are high end, okay? But you're gonna see this one and you're gonna love it. Especially, I have chocolate. Chocolate on the table, guys. Chocolate on the table. Also, anyone remembers linen and things? I remember when I first came to America, I used to go to that store a lot. And I have the set from that store or their brand. I don't know, but it's a gorgeous vintage inspired um, plate set. And I liked it because it has this cool, calm bone color, or some of us would say beige. And I like that. And what I did was I collated to this gorgeous, um, I think Victorian inspired table mat. And I added this gorgeous glass charger in chocolate brown, which I love. And then I top it off with a simple napkin. Do you remember having curtains with tassel, or couches with tassel at the end? I remember seeing them. I've never bought one, but I remember seeing them going into a Victorian inspired room and see all the little nicks and knacks, especially tassels. So I DIY tassel and just wrap it around my napkin just to have that vibe, easy, beautiful, right? And I always say layer your look. When you layer your look, you cannot go wrong. And if you start, the tablecloth is just um, a simple lace inspired, I say, faux lace tablecloth, right? And I have the same color placemat. And then I break it up with this chocolate brown charger. It is beautiful. It is glass though. A little bit high end or expensive rather than the regular ones, but I love it. And then this gorgeous set with all the details, right? And then I pick up a a napkin that is very close to the plate and the placemat, and then the tassel just ties it together into just a beautiful bundle. I just love it. Love, love, love it. This setting could be every day. It could be celebratory moments. Um, It could be anything you want it to be. If you're looking for a simple Victorian inspired or vintage inspired look. And of course, I can't leave my regular glass. I feel like this put it into modern, right? And give it a different look, but it seals it nicely. And I like that. And I use my natural utensils um, to finish it off. It just looks nice and easy. It doesn't look like I fuss. I started yesterday and I finished tonight. For some strange reason, I've been so tired lately. So many spirits or agitating my spirits. And I don't know how to control it. Is it the word of God that I profess so often? Is it my utterance? Is it just my beauty? Girl, after a visit to a church and the spirit gets to you, there's no beauty left. There's just tiredness left right now. Also, I brought in this gorgeous, look at this gorgeous vase. Love it, love it. Fill of peony. And I'm still going fake because my garden isn't up and running. I'm still just seeing the spring blooms. And usually I don't do those for bouquets. I may have to use them, but I'm still waiting. And what I did was I collate the colors with these cute little dessert cups. They're brownie, and it just relates back to the color. I like that. You can take food and make art, just so you know. Beautiful. And then I have this black and white runner that I turn on the other side just to get this shade of tan, which looks really gorgeous. I love that. And because we have goodies, I place teapot, sugar bowl, and creamer, just so that my guests could have fresh coffee or tea with their dessert. And I really like this look. I love when I design with food because it gives me ideas, of what to put next. Food, cultural. But away from that, it's just nice and simple. A touch of brown and this gorgeous bone color, which I love. Love, 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 love. And remember that I was inspired by RH magazine with their just gorgeous rich tones, and just know that I think, the plate, the not the plate, the chargers and the stemware are from Home Goods. Just gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I haven't had like a beautiful table with lighting. The lighting look dark and dingy. And I know I have spirits because this house talks to me at night. Sometimes I run outside and sometimes I stay in, depending on what it's saying. All right. So, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I am trying to make my 10 tables fit because since I announced it, I feel like I can't do it anymore. It's just amazing. My spirit got weakened, my body got weakened. I feel like, there's no passion left in me to finish my dream. So guys, pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Thank you so very much for supporting. Um, Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, plant a seed today and watch it grow. You will never regret it. Peace.